Oh, is this the one that you're talking about?
You might float it.
Oh shit. Oh, there's that one that razor flipped over it?
Yeah, watch. It's gonna be a...
Oh shit.
Yeah, go down the left side. Keep going. You getting there? Okay.
Roll it in the mud since it is. Well, look at them.
Well, they might. Look. This might have filled back down.
There's no way.
Maybe they just didn't fucking know how to.
No, we were in it. No, he's already went too far.
It was just right here?
Yeah, it was right there. You couldn't watch it.
It was on the left side or the right side?
Left side.
Which
Left side was deep. Right here.
this left side. I mean, not from that way.
It's settled back in.
That's crazy.
Yeah, feel right here. I can feel it hard and you can push your feet down.
Yeah.
See, look.
Yeah. Damn.
You gonna try it?
Walker, what's it like right there?
It's kind of soft right here.
Look. This is the bottom. Right here. Now look. I promise you, that over there goes down, down, down.
Woo. You got it.
You got it?
Woo.
Don't be that guy. I mean, look, they're taking a bath in this son of a bitch, man.
I'm fine. I got something for you.
Yeah.
Get it on video.
Yeah. You going?
You're gonna make it right there where you're at.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Let me get.
Oh, how bad is it?
God.
Let me do it.
Shit. Woo. Okay. He's done.
Back up and get it
Where you going? Guess I'm gonna get my ride.
Yeah, looks like I might need help.
I can't believe it's still in my mind.
Yeah, look. Right here to here.
Yeah,
Here's hard.
that's crazy. Nate, what are you gonna do over there? He tried pushing.
Hey, look.
Oh shit.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know how he got across that.
I'll go pull him out. Don't worry, I'll walk him out of there.
I was going to go around and get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around. I ain't.
I think
Motherfucker.
I can paddle myself out there.
You think so?
Oh, that Terry's is getting
Oh, okay. That's.
You know, there's bag coming out of that.
Oh yeah. Well, let's get it. Let's go around. Mark, you need help? Oh.
I think it's trying to keep Parker from drowning.
Don't let Parker drown.
They got a tanker too?
No, it's a winch.
Oh, it's in the back?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, it's a winch. The hell was that?
A stick. Have you ever seen one?
No.
Oh, really?
Brought a first lump of mud you threw behind you. hit me in the collarbone.
Did it
For
really?
some reason, I was like, where the fuck did that come from? And I saw you throw the second one. I was like, yeah, mother.
I thought Parker was behind me.
That bitch caught me right there, dude. It's like,
Bitch.
I didn't spin my tires and nothing.
And I got the Honda in front of me, so I damn sure know he ain't throwing
I
nothing.
seen you spin it in there. Good thing you got that.
Gosh dang it. Always talking shit. Think I can make that?
Yeah, you got it. No problem. No sweat. I'm right behind.
I hate y'all so much. I hate y'all so damn much.
We get a.
Hell no.
If we can get a grizzly out the way.
Parker, we need you to move your bike.
Is it in the way?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's always in the way.
Oh, you're not going that way?
No.
You going?
Were you? I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, I can pull myself across.
Yeah, but then when you get there, it's just that.
Bruh. Why risk it? You don't want to ride no more? Yeah, just be straight up with us.
Turn around, don't drown, buddy.
Exactly.
How long does that tiger truck?
Only 12 feet.
Bro, them fuckers standing over there like we fixing to come through this shit. Y'all can go ahead and get back on your bike. Nothing to see here.
All right, we'll be right there.
Y'all ready?
All right.
Watch this.
Is he not going? They thought we were gonna go through.
I did. I got it right here, so I got it. He was gonna get some good food.
Y'all thought we were gonna do it, didn't y'all? Y'all crazy. Y'all crazy.
I thought you were gonna do it, man.
Hell no.
You know who you are?
Who?
That guy.
Oh, I'm that guy.
You're that guy.
I would have got stuck right here like you.
No. You'd have got stuck way
No,
back
no, 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 no.
I guess we'll never know.
We'll never know. We just gotta assume that I'm right.
I should have turned this way and came back this way instead of trying to turn out.
Yeah.
Nate was right. It is soft as hell right there.
Yeah, it's super soft. I saw you were almost struggling a little bit to turn the tires. Like, yeah, maybe not.
Worse, it wouldn't even turn the car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it wouldn't even turn it.
Yeah.
I mean, I was trying to back up so I could get another rock at it,
Right.
but I didn't want to break my reverse chain.
Oh, yeah. Do you still have the... Parker, what are you doing?